Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce our new product, RGB Hexagon Lights. Here's a quick overview. First, ensure you have all the necessary accessories for this design. We have two types of tubes, Type A, which is both input and output, and Type B, which is only an input. Arrows on the tubes will help you distinguish between them. Additionally, we have 120-degree two-way connectors and Y-shaped connectors. You'll also find a power adapter, a control system to play the RGB functions, and a string set to fix the lamps to the ceiling. Let's get started. Step 1 *, lay all tubes and connectors on the ground according to the diagram, with the cover sides facing down. Step 2 *, assemble the tubes and connectors. Step 3 * wiring. First, connect the white control system to the connector, then connect the power adapter to the control system and plug the adapter into the socket. After assembling, test the setup on the ground before fixing it to the ceiling. There are three options for fixing. Option 1 * for flat ceilings, screw directly through the holes in the connectors. Option 2 * for grid ceilings, tie with zip ties. Option 3 * for high ceilings, over 4.5 meters, hang the lamps with the string set provided. And that's it! Isn't it easy to install? For more information, just contact us.